Bridgestone has supported mobility with tyres and related products. We've been developing various tyres for safer, more comfortable and more economical automobile use for our customers. Tyres are expected to achieve many performance goals such as lower fuel consumption, stable steering, more silent driving and reasonable wear performance. Bridgestone has provided many technology innovations to fulfill these goals by maximising the required performances of tyres in the small contact patch between the tyre and the road, which is no larger than a piece of postcard. Let us introduce you to our tyre development process together and our technologies involved. The development of tyres reflecting market and customer demands involves the following flow: market research, fundamental research, product development, experimental production evaluation, mass production, market research. Tyres include various materials such as rubber, metal and organic fibres. Among these, rubber is the main component and thus is extremely important. In the fundamental research, the compounding of rubber used in products is determined by testing mixtures of various substances. More fuel efficient, more safe, more silent, more durable. Bridgestone has developed Nano Protec, a technology innovation for improving the material at nano level to achieve required performances. More specifically, the structure of a material, which is rubber used in tyres, is manipulated at a molecular level. For example, controlling a tyre structure at a nano level is like manipulating 1mm screws to control a tyre the size of the Earth. A material obtained by mixing hard substances such as carbon and silica in rubber is manipulated at a nano level so that the hard substances are well dispersed. Thus, the friction due to tyre revolution between the substances such as carbon and silica in rubber is less likely to occur. Less friction leads to less heat. Furthermore, the less friction leads to less resistance in the tyre. Thus, the energy consumption can be reduced, whereby higher fuel efficiency can be achieved. An arrangement of grooves on tyres largely influences important performances of a vehicle, such as driving, turning and stopping performances. Tyres have grooves ensuring safe driving on any road or climate. The grooves may be in various forms such as longitudinal grooves, transverse grooves, wide or thin grooves, and thin slits formed by siping. For example, on a rainy day, more grooves leads to better drainage of water but makes more noise on a sunny day. On the other hand, a tread pattern with fewer grooves leads to lower braking on rainy days. Optimum grooves are designed for each tyre while considering such a trade-off. Tyres go through indoor and driving tests with actual vehicles before they can be put on the market. Ultimate Eye is a unique technology innovation of Bridgestone used for indoor tests. Ultimate Eye provides indoor simulation of any actual driving vehicle. What's actually happening on the contact patch of the tyre can be measured and visualized. This technology allows us to actually see with our own eyes how a tyre and the ground are in contact with each other via the contact patch the size of a postcard through the eyes of science. The condition of the tyres of a high-speed vehicle, which has previously only been estimated or predicted, largely contributes to improvement of the tyre development. Through the visualization, how the change in the material and the arrangement of grooves affects the gripping force of each location in the contact patch between the tyre and the road surface can be clearly recognized. By combining our unique measurement techniques with this cutting-edge simulation technique, Bridgestone has greatly improved tyre performances. Acoustic absorbing materials cover the entire room to minimize the influence of reflection. The space with no sound is used for analysing sound produced from a tyre. How sound is produced in a tread is figured out to achieve comfortable sound quality. This contributes to designing more silent tyres. The development of tyres is further backed by various other devices such as indicators for measuring rolling resistance and wearability related to fuel efficiency and testers for measuring friction. Product evaluation is not solely completed by indoor tests. A driving test with actual vehicles is carried out on a proving ground. A proving ground is a huge area reproducing various real roads around the world. Performances based on the material development performed by the microscopic nano-level manipulation is evaluated with tests and simulations. Still, subjective confirmation on tyre performances such as steering and riding comfort that are actually felt by our customers are made by professional test drivers. Various products as a result of these processes are delivered to our customers. Bridgestone keeps investing for technology innovation. We will continue our effort to maximise the required performances in the small contact patch between the tyre and the road for the satisfaction of our customers and supporting individuals and mobility.